Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious Desi lamb chops. We'll start by gathering fresh ingredients for a vibrant marinade. Then, I'll guide you through the marination process, ensuring maximum flavor absorption. Next, we'll explore the best cooking methods to achieve perfectly tender and juicy chops. Finally, I'll share some fantastic serving suggestions to complete your meal. Get ready to impress with this easy-to-follow recipe. Creating the perfect marinade is key for Desi lamb chops. Start with plain yogurt as your base, then mix in a generous amount of fresh ginger garlic paste. Incorporate essential spices like red chili powder, turmeric, and garam masala for that authentic flavor. A touch of lemon juice adds brightness. Ensure each chop is thoroughly coated. For best results, marinate for a minimum of 2 hours or, ideally, overnight in the refrigerator. Once marinated, it's time to cook your chops to perfection. Heat a pan with a little oil over medium-high heat. Sear the lamb chops for 2 to 3 minutes on each side until beautifully browned. Then, reduce the heat to medium-low, cover the pan, and let them simmer gently. This slow cooking ensures the chops become incredibly tender, absorbing all the marinade's flavors. Cook until they reach your desired doneness. To complete your delicious meal, garnish the cooked lamb chops with a sprinkle of fresh cilantro and a squeeze of fresh lime juice. This adds a wonderful burst of freshness. These flavorful chops pair wonderfully with warm naan bread, fluffy basmati rice, or a crisp green salad. They are also fantastic alongside a cooling raita. Enjoy the rich, aromatic flavors of your homemade Desi lamb chops.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.